welcome back to the channel. On today's vlog, we're just testing out some batteries around our neighborhood. Currently we're at Baldwin Park. We're with Greg and Martin today, and we're heading towards Azusa area, or Duarte area. This is my ride today. It's the same 72 volt setup, but it's a 60 volt battery today that I popped in the frame bag. My original build was 72 volt 25 amp capacity. Today I have 60 volt 25 amp capacity that I was able to pick up for a decent deal, and I want to test its performance and range. Again, it's a UPP battery, 60 volt, 25 amp. So I was only topping 37 miles per hour on this setup. I had the same controller and everything. And versus the 72 volt, I was getting 43 miles per hour top speed, making sure that the battery's all good and whatnot. Martin ahead, on the other hand, is testing his 52 volt, very small 10 amp capacity battery that he just received in the mail. Because that build, he's going for a really lightweight, minimalistic type of e-bike that he can take off-roading. Greg is obviously in an EUC, and me, I'm practically on a motorbike. I'm just twisting my throttle today. So I started at 64 volts, so not exactly 100%. This is my first 60 volt battery. I actually don't know what full percentage is, but I imagine it's going to be around 68. Hey Greg, you've had a 60 volt battery before?
A what?
60 volt battery? Like what's the full charge on 60 volt? What's the voltage?
Oh, I think it's 67 or something.
67?
63.
Okay.
Like 68.
Almost 68. Okay, thank you. Alright, that was close. Alright, Martin, how's your battery?
100.
100. Liar. It's lying to you. Alright, here we go. Onwards to Encanto Park to get to that trail that we want to just explore on. I'm going to be real happy if I could get 40 miles per hour on this bike. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, go. $24, $26, $33 miles per hour, $35, $36, $37, and we're going uphill. Yeah, I got lucky there. So it's a 37 mile per hour bike for the most part. So we're going to Trona trip tomorrow, finally, but I'm still contemplating about which e-bike I'm going to be taking. I really want to take this bike because it's my favorite looking aesthetic electric motorbike, and I think it'll do well on the terrain, you know, like the sandy desert type of terrain. It's either this or my 29er electric mountain bike, but you know, I didn't want to get this one too dirty, but it's going to get dirty for sure at Trona. And I'm leaning more to this bike because for Milky Way photos, I think it would be real nice to have this custom Super 73 72 volt or 60 volt. I'm going to be bringing this 72 volt. Alright, in the meantime, we're crossing the bridge to Encanto Park, and we're going to be at the trailhead shortly. It does look steep. We're going to be around somewhere in the bottom of that mountain for like a fire road equestrian trail. But I was saying, because we're trying to do astrophotography Milky Way photos, it would be real nice that I brought this bike. I consider this one of my show bikes. I've never taken it off-road yet, but I might have to tomorrow. Oh, we got some gas bikers up ahead. Mini gas bikers. What's up, guys? We're in uncharted territory. Have not been here before. But apparently there's a way to go up to OHV area from here. I mean, we're not gonna go all the way up, but just want to check it out. Oh, potholes. Oh, my bike's gonna get dirty. This is the Van Tassel Trail. Oh gosh, so I imagine Trona's gonna be like this. And it's already sandy from the get-go. Alright, sorry bike, but you're about to get dirty for the first time. Oh my gosh, it's so slippery. Ah! Alright.
Going in and you go up, you're going up.
You'd be okay with that?
Yeah, I'll stop on.
Alright, 60 volt. Let's rock and roll down the stream. All kinds of dirt today. Okay, this is steep. Steep-ish. Oh gosh. Alright. I'm just 30% throttling right here, and it is steep. Pretty steep incline. Whew. Come on, bike, don't fail me now. Heck yeah, I'm only at 30%. Whew. 30% throttling on this steep hill. Wow, I'm amazed at this machine that I built. I just want to see how dirty it is now. Crevice. This is practically a dirt bike that I built. This is a Super 73 dirt bike. I love this machine. So believe it or not, this 60 volt battery that we have, I was originally gonna put it on the Volcon Brat e-bike that we have for our wife. But I asked her if it was something she would like me to upgrade. And she actually was very hesitant in me investing more time on that. She literally said, just make another Super 73. Even though if it's a little tall for her, just make another Super 73. So that's what I'm cooking up again. I'm gonna try to make one more of these amazing machines, and I'm going to maybe sell it, because there's no point in having 3 Super 73 RX motorbikes. Oh my gosh, we are high up, and we're just killing this hill. And I'm under 50% throttling. But yeah, we're high up. We're gonna get a good view soon, I think. Alright, let's 50% throttle. Don't fail me. Don't fail me now. This is a true test. Look how high we are. You okay?
Gets deeper.
Oh yeah, tell me about it. Oh man, how long does this place go up to? Yeah, we'll stop here. I don't want to overstrain my bike. But I've never seen a Super 73 do this.
Let me take a picture.
We're so high up. 1,500 feet of elevation? I mean, I guess we could look later. Yeah, this road is not stopping in terms of climbing up. Goes all the way to Azusa 39. Look at that view, guys. Super 73 doesn't belong up here, but I'm just amazed that it can handle this terrain. That was a really good test today. Don't want to take too long exploring because, you know, Greg, I don't want him waiting too long down there. Oh, mamma mia. These fat tires don't want to turn. They're so stubborn at turning. Well, getting this bike dirty is no longer a question. So I'll definitely be taking this one tomorrow to Trona. 59 volts on the LCD screen. And we're still going downhill. Martin just bombed it with his oh, that crevice was rough. Martin just bombed it downhill. I have such a heavier bike to brake on. And I just can't let it fly the way you would on a mountain bike. Time for a creek. Ooh, made it. Oh my gosh. Slippery slope there. It doesn't stop. Did you ever reach the peak over there?
No, I never been on your top.
What were you guys using before?
Huh?
What were you guys on before? Oh yeah, really? It doesn't stop.
Alright.
It keeps going. And yeah, it does get steep in some parts. Alright. Let's let loose, let it fly. Jump it! Yeah, buddy. I'm not jumping on my Super. That was a good test. Now I'm confident in bringing this to Trona. Even though it's dirty. I mean, it's just gonna get dirtier, so whatever. No longer a pavement princess. Alright, we're gonna head back. Watch the sunset. 7:39. Current top speed today is 38 miles per hour. And we've gone about 12 miles so far. So we're pretty much halfway. And by the time we're home, we're actually gonna get probably 24 miles total. Try to put this battery on my next project, my next Super 73 project. There's that sunset that we're trying to catch. It's kind of dipping on the other side of the mountain. Let's get it. kind of going downhill now. 34, 35, 37, 38, and Martin's in the way. Martin's going pretty fast. See ya. 35. 36. Yep, that's it. That's about my top speed. I got 5 minutes till the sunset dips. So by the time we're back, I should be reaching about 21, maybe 22 miles. And you know, we've been having stretches of 36, 37 miles per hour. And I'm still at 58 volts. So I'm confident that this bike, this UPP battery with this setup, will take me about 30 to 35, maybe even 40 mile range, give or take. So that's awesome. Ooh, e-bikers. Good test today so far. Again, not as torquey as a 72 volt. The 72 volt, I get 43 miles per hour, sometimes 48 miles per hour, depending on the BMS discharge. Anyhow, thank you for tuning in. Like and subscribe for more content. Check out the links in the description below for discounts on a Super 73, an aerial rider, or a DIY bafang kit. See you guys in the next ride. Peace.